Hello, and today we're going to talk about solving equations with variables on both sides. So the overall goal of any equation is to get your variable on one side and get all of the other numbers on the other side so that you can simplify and find how much that one variable is equal to. When variables and constants are split like that, they're happy. Whenever you have variables and constants on the same side, they're sad, and this variable's sad too. So let's try to make them all happy and get all the variables on one side and the constants on another. So let's look at some equations. First, this is an easy problem. We only have to move one thing. It says 6x equals 2x minus 20. If I can get this 2x to move to the opposite side, that would be good. So I'm going to subtract a positive 2x from both sides. On the left side, I get 4x. On the right side, these go away, and you're left with negative 20. Next, divide each side by 4, and you get x equals negative 5. And Papa Smurf, he's pretty happy for you. Next, what if there's variables and constants on both sides? Well, you do the same process. All the variables need to go to one side, all the constants go to the opposite side. So we're going to move this negative 6x to the left by adding 6x on both sides. Next, we need to add 3 to both sides to get rid of the negative 3. That way the variables all went to the left, the constants all went to the right. Now we simply add what's left on each side. So 4x and 6x is 10x, and 57 and 3 makes your 60. Now divide each side by 10. You get x equals 6. Woo, says Pikachu. Next, this is where it gets a little bit harder. What if you have distributive property as well? Well, with this one extra step, go ahead and distribute first. So you get 5x minus 35 equals 2x minus 11. Then move your variables and your numbers. I'm going to move my variables to the left and my numbers to the right. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I'm going to add 35 to both sides. So on the left, I'll end up with 3x. On the right, I'll end up with 24. Now divide by 3. And you get x equals 8. SpongeBob and Patrick think you're pretty cool for doing this problem. Well, I hope you've liked these. Hope they help you understand. And as always, thank you for using Seyer Mathematics.